How to create a YouTube banner in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel on Canva. So let's get started. Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to design Instagram stories, Facebook posts, create resumes, logos, websites, landing pages, posters, presentations, edit videos, and more. So today we will be creating a YouTube banner on Canva. It's really easy to do, and we get a lot of different tools to work with. The link for Canva is given in the description down below. Simply click on the link and you will land on this platform right here. So you will simply go to custom size right here, and we will add an average size for a YouTube banner right here, which is going to be 2560 by 1440, and you will simply click on create new design and make sure it's pixels right here, and simply click on create new design. It will take you to your editor right here in Canva, and in here we will be able to create our YouTube banner for our YouTube channel. Now the first thing that you need to do is think in mind that what you actually have. Get an idea that what kind of banner you want to create. We get a lot of different templates right here as well, and you can actually work with a template, but today we will be starting from the scratch. So the first thing is going to be selecting a color palette for your banner. That's an important part that I think you should keep in mind. Don't go for very random colors, because you can see right here each banner has its own color palette, and you can go with a color palette that is actually related to your YouTube channel, that goes with your YouTube logo and with your thumbnails. So I will be going with a yellow and black palette right here, like a color a theme. So my background is going to be yellow. So I'm going to select this color. We simply go to colors right here, and you simply select a background. So this is going to be the background color for my banner. Now, what I want you to do is simply go to elements. In elements, you will be able to find different graphics, stickers, photos, and more. You can simply select tables, frames, grids, and more from element option right here, and we mostly work here. What I will do is I will simply go to lines and shapes and select this square right here, which is the most simplest element available. And I will actually place it right here. The next step, I will add more elements, but I will go to text and first type in the title for my YouTube channel. We can simply go ahead and actually go for different, templates and fonts available here. And you can select any font from this option here. Simply add the name for your YouTube channel. So this is the name for my YouTube channel, and I'm going to simply go ahead and type it. So now it's here. I will actually change the font, and I can select from different fonts that are available. So this one actually looks pretty good. I will simply actually place this square behind the text. You can simply go ahead and right click. It will allow you to send the box to the background. Now it's here. I will actually make it a little bigger. You simply drag and it kind of like does this. Perfect. There you go. Now we can actually change the color for our box right here, our square, and I will actually make it lighter. So I will actually give it this color right here. Now you can simply go ahead and place it wherever you want to. I will actually arrange this in a while when I add more of the elements to my YouTube banner right here. With our box or different elements, we get the option of color change, font, the size, alignments, and everything here. You can actually change the line spacing as well. I will simply go to elements again. I will go to frames and select this circle right here. It will add this frame to my banner, and now I will be able to add a logo or an image to this frame right here. We can actually select from a lot of different frames. You can actually go with maybe this one, and we have different layouts and alignments given. I think the circle looks very professional. Now we have a frame. Let's upload our logo. Simply go to uploads, click on upload media, and simply select your logo from your computer. There you go. You can see my logo has been uploaded. So I will simply select it. Simply drag the logo and drop it right here. And now you can see this is our logo and it kind of like is blending in with the background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually change the color a bit so that it stands out. You can simply work with the color palette according to you, and you can actually go for different colors and different shades. So I have actually changed the background to a little lighter color so that my logo will stand out. And you can see this is how it looks. So our logo has been added. The next thing that you need to do is simply go to elements again, and this time you can add different elements such as boxes and lines to kind of like give it a more professional look. Important things in our YouTube banner is our logo and our text. If you wanted to add an image, you can simply go ahead and upload an image from your media, or maybe you can go to elements, search for photos, and you will be able to add a photo. So I will simply go to elements and maybe select this box right here and this one as well. So I think we should now arrange our elements and kind of like for the final banner. So I'm just going to place the logo right here. Okay, perfect. Now I will actually arrange the text as well. Now I'm gonna actually place the text right here, so you can actually decrease the size a bit and put it right here. Another thing that you can do with the text is simply click on the text, go to effects, and go to shadows, and it will give your text a shadow. I will simply actually adjust the size of the square that we had selected to my text. Now I will actually make it a bit transparent. Simply select the box, click on these three dots, go to transparency, and you can make it transparent. There you go. I will simply place these boxes right here. Now we can actually go to elements and select different elements. So I'm going to select this one right here. It's actually good for tech, and I will just place it right here. Now I think our banner looks pretty good. It's very basic, but you know how to simply add how to add elements. I will simply go to elements again, and this time I will search for like and subscribe. Once you do that, you will get all of these different buttons in order to add to your YouTube banner. So I'm gonna actually select this black themed like button, and I will simply place it here. And for subscribe, I'm also going to find black themed subscribe button right here, but if I cannot find it, so again, I can simply go to text and simply type in a subtitle subscribe. Once you have added the text, you can go to lines and shapes and select this one. It looks like a button. And just place it right here behind your text. Okay, so we have our buttons as well. I will actually make it just a little smaller. And there you go. You can simply, add final touches to everything. If you want to kind of like add shadows, you can add different elements as well. You can add more text. You can add more elements. I wanted to go with a simple banner, and this is the perfect banner for my YouTube channel. It looks pretty good. It has the, buttons, the logo, the text, everything. Now, what I will do is I will simply go to share option right here, click on download, and you can simply download it as a PNG. Click on download and your YouTube banner will be downloaded that you created on Canva very easily. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. The link for Canva is given in the description down below. Simply click on the link if you want to create amazing professional banner for your YouTube channel. And I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.